Now the time is 1:30. I took a break of around 45 minutes and I had lunch, and then I also booked my stay there in Ooty. And oh my god, rates are very high, and it is costing me around 2000 rupees. So just now exiting Gundlupete. So bye bye Gundlupete. So that means Gundlupete, after Gundlupete what we have is the forest and the mountains to Ooty. Yes, the Nilagiris are awaiting for us to go and visit. Now I can see the first glimpse of some small hills. Maybe it can lead to the Nilgiris sooner or later. Hello friends, just now we have entered Bandipur forest. See, on all sides we can see good amount of forest. Wow, what a beautiful scene. Wow, we have entered the forest. It looks so amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So amazing, my dear friends. Wow. Look how beautiful is the road. Oh my god, why there are so many speed breakers? Wow, wow. Bandipur is the Karnataka side of the forest, and we have entered it. And the time is around 1:50 in the afternoon. It's good, sunny, very, very, very calm. Wow, 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 wow! It looks so nice. Wow, driving also is so good. Feels so good while driving. Keep left. Okay, I will go left. Okay, my dear friends, after some time let's again go to the next scene. Hi friends, due to mic issues in my camera, the voice in previous scene was not captured. So, I would like to now narrate the previous scene. The Karnataka side of the forest, Bandipur Tiger Reserve, is now over and we have now crossed to the state of Tamil Nadu. But we are still in the Tiger Reserve of the forest only. This side of the forest is called Mudumalai in the Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu. Since we are in the last week of year 2022, December 27th, also a peak holiday season, you would observe a lot of tourists traveling in the car. For the car to travel in the forest, there is some entry fee. So you could see the accumulation of car at the entry point. But for the bike, entry fee is free on both Bandipur entry and Mudumalai entry. Friends, the theme of this tour is to enjoy the bike ride on various terrains like national highways, state highways, forest roads and ghat roads. Friends, soon we will take the Masinagudi route and go to the queen of hill stations, the Ooty. Friends, I slightly overstepped, so I will now take a U-turn for the Masinagudi exit of the Mudumalai forest. Now we are in the Masinagudi road. Also to my right, you can see the Moyar, a river that's flowing gently. As we go ahead, we will go to the village of Masinagudi. Friends, now that we are out of the Mudumalai forest, as you had seen in the previous scene, the checkpost. So that's the end of Mudumalai forest on the Masinagudi side, and now we are entering the Masinagudi village. So this village seems to be well within the forest, and also observe the display board that shows that Ooty is just 29 kilometers away. Friends, we are now in the Manavalla village, and I can sense that we are near the foothills. There are quite a few resorts for tourists to stay and enjoy in this remote village. The scenic foothills are in our view. Now see the scenic view. It is the foothills of Ooty from Masinagudi side. The mountains are blue, giving the name Blue Mountains or Neelagiris as called locally. After driving 240 kilometers approximately from Bangalore, we are near to the foothills and will reach the Sigur Bridge, and then the Ghat road to Ooty starts. As this video is going longer, we can continue the Ghat road and 32 hairpin bends driving in the next video. Few glimpses of Sigur Bridge and Ghat roads will follow in this video, but I would like to end this video somewhere near the first hairpin bend. So friends, in the next part of the video, the climb to Ooty Ghats will continue. Thank you.